Good evening, students. Welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 9 of chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.2 for class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 9 says ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and its diagonals intersect each other at point O. Show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So here we can easily see that we need to prove AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO, but we don't have a figure. So first of all, we need to draw the figure. Okay, so it is being given to us that ABCD is a trapezium. So let us draw a trapezium. Okay, so let us draw a trapezium. So trapezium is a four-sided figure or a quadrilateral having two sides parallel and two sides non-parallel. So it is being given to us AB is parallel to CD. So let us mark it as A, B, C and D, and AB is parallel to CD. So we have already shown over here. Now it is being given to us that diagonals intersect each other at point O. So the diagonals are intersecting each other. Diagonals are AC and DB at a point O. They are intersecting each other. Okay. So we need to show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So now for this question we need to do some construction. So let us do the construction. Let us do the construction that we will be drawing a line segment. You can mark it by any of the alphabets. I am marking it as E and F, parallel to DC and AB. So draw line segment EF such that EF is parallel to AB, parallel to CD. So all three are parallel. So now I am taking the triangle, ADC. Okay, so I am taking the triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC we can easily see that EO is parallel to DC. Okay, so when EO is parallel to DC, because we have already assumed EF to be parallel to DC and EO is a part of EF. So EO will be also parallel to DC. Okay, as EO is a part of EF and EF is parallel to DC. So this we have already assumed over here. Okay, so this is our first condition. Then we see that E and O lie on the other two sides of the triangle. So E and O lie on other two sides of triangle. Two sides of triangle ADC. Okay. So from here we can easily get over here, we can easily apply the basic proportionality theorem over here, which is our theorem 6.1, the Thales theorem. Okay, so we can easily get AE upon ED equal to AO upon OC. So let us write down the condition. So AE upon ED to be equal to AO upon OC. AO upon OC. Okay. So let us mark it as equation number 1 and write down the reason, because of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so we got one result. Now we are going to take the triangle ADB. Now we are going to take the triangle, taking triangle ADB. So when we are taking the triangle ADB, we easily see that this EO is also parallel to AB, because again the EO is a part of EF. Okay, so EO will be parallel to AB as EO is part of EF, and already assumed EF parallel to AB. Okay, so this is the reason that EO will be also parallel to AB. Now here also E and O lie on other two sides of triangle. So here also our basic proportionality theorem is applicable. Okay, so basic proportionality theorem is applicable over here also. So it will also divide the sides in the equal ratios. So here also we get AE upon ED to be equal to OB upon OD. Okay, or you can write down DE upon EA to be equal to DO upon OB. DO upon OB. Now reciprocating it, the whole equation, we will be getting over here. We'll be getting over here AE upon ED to be equal to OB upon DO. We can write down BO. Yeah. So let us mark it as equation number 2. So let us mark it as equation number 2 over here. So from equation 1 and 2, we see that LHS is equal. AE upon ED is equal. So we can easily equate the RHS. So from 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, AE upon ED is equal to AO upon OC, or we can write CO, rather we can also write CO over here, is equal to BO upon DO. So we are interested in taking these two. So we will be taking these two. So from here, if we can bring this BO, we can do cross multiplication over here. So we can bring this BO down, and also we can bring the CO upwards. By cross multiplication, it is possible over here to do this. Okay, so AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO, and when cross multiplied it, we can easily get AO upon BO to be equal to CO upon DO. Okay, and this is the result we need to prove, and so we have proved over here. So this question we proved it with the help of basic proportionality theorem, hence proved, or the Thales theorem. So the only thing to be noted over here is that taking the right set of triangles. So the triangles which I had taken over here were ADE, this was ADE and ADB and ADB, this.